Tomorrow, class won't be canceled.
Tomorrow, the streets will be gray with slush and salt.
But just barely clear enough to drive over.
Tomorrow, everyone will return to cursing New England.
And wondering why they ever agreed to move north.
Tomorrow there will still be tests to study for.
And papers to write and applications to submit.
And a whole terrifying, uncertain world to prepare for.
But tonight, the air is thick with falling flakes.
And shrieks of astonished laughter.
Tonight, the light from street lamps is soft.
An evergreen bough stooped toward the ground.
Curling protective over snow-filled walkways.
Tonight, the world has become something from a fantasy.
And who cares if we have to return to the real one tomorrow?